This is a Cessna with a headlight, white headlight, out over the two-story house. Might be something like a Cessna copter to do with the October 30th headlight, spotlight. He's moving at that slow kind of pace, therefore he's a police Cessna. Yeah, there's a white. It's like white. It's a weird flasher on the wings. I think he has little red-orange like running light flashers too. It's like a big combination. Looks really official. Little right pulse. Left, right, left, right. I hear the train. They keep sending the train by, and it goes by a lot of times, but I can't register it with my phone because, like, I hope you could hear that. It sounds like it's like clattering by, like. And it's not like the whoosh of air or like a real train. It's like fake, like Joel Osteen, but it's like fake loudness. Like the train wouldn't sound like that, but they've changed it so that it doesn't pick up well on my phone, and it's like cut. And it's only it's I wish someone was here because the sound only emits from the bridges, so it's ridiculous. So that Cessna is now, there's a car reading my video. Cessna is going out in the copter pocket. The left, little right pulse, left pulse, right pulse. There's a jumbo. Jumbo on the left. He's waving. No, my dad's giving me crap. It's Jumbo waving, coming up on the back, little left pulse, little right pulse, wiggling, little left pulse, little right pulse, left pulse, waving, little bump to the left and right pulse, pulse center, wiggling, little pulse center, right, left, right, left pulse, little right pulse, left pulse, waving, little right, little left, little right, left pulse, left, right, left pulse, right pulse, left pulse. So he's out in the back. My train's gone and the car screwed it up. Actually, the train's still going, that's the thing. It sounds like the freeway. It's not the freeway though.